up, guys? It's been a while. Still have a motorcycle, still riding, still doing good. Just bringing you guys a little update. So, it's kind of, I don't know, halfway through summer, I guess. Sort of, kind of, depending on how you look at it. For like the entire month of May, where I live anyway, it like rained for like 29 or 30 out of like 32 days. It sucked. I mean, like, just rained every freaking day. It was either raining or it was like 50 degrees. And like, it might be riding weather for some people, but I think 70s is preferable. So that sucked. So I couldn't ride a lot. I already did all the, I guess, maintenance to the bike that I really need to do, like oil change, oil filter change, cleaned out my air filter, cleaned up the chain, got everything ready. Had plenty of time to do it because it fucking rained the whole time. But bike's running good. Everything's going good. So actually in a couple weeks, gonna go do my first track day. Pretty stoked about that. But turns out a friend of a friend, a little older than me, but he still he races bikes and rides on the track all the time. And I reached out to him and I said, hey, you got any good tips or anything? Just kind of like looking for some advice for his track day and stuff. And he actually invited me out to a private track day. Him and all his friends, they just bring all their bikes and cars out to the track, and they rent it out for the whole day. And he invited me to come out with them, and I'm fucking stoked. Like, I mean, it's gonna be sweet. He said there's not even that many bikes going too, so he said for the most part we should have the track to ourselves, which is just gonna be fucking awesome. I mean, I've never been on a track, and I'm so pumped to be able to lean. Actually, I've had this bike for going on 5 years now, and I've never taken it on the track, and I'm so excited to finally get that just balls to the wall, taking some good turns on the reliable pavement and on a closed course and everything. And man, it's gonna be really fun. Really excited to do that, especially almost like on a private session too. I mean, to me, that's gonna be like the best way to, I guess, to learn how to ride, learn the track day environment that way. Because I got somebody that he said he's gonna kind of take me through the track and teach me it a little bit, kind of, I guess, show me the ins and outs of a track day. And to me, that's gonna be a lot easier to learn than just kind of going by myself and figuring it out by myself. I actually got someone that can kind of show me how it works and everything. It's gonna be super helpful. And I just can't say how fucking excited I am. So that's one thing I'm really excited for. And hopefully, if that goes well, I'll do some more. And hopefully, at the track that I'm gonna go to, you're not allowed to have your GoPro on your helmet. So I'm gonna try and figure out a way to mount it to the bike the best way I can, I guess, to give you the best view. I'm not sure if I should mount it on my tank, so you get a good view of the speedo and everything, or if I should mount it on kind of like the front of my bike, so you can just kind of see what I would see. So if you got any recommendations, I guess, what would be the best view, I guess, of somebody watching it, let me know. I got 2 GoPros actually, so I guess I could put one on both spots, but kind of just want to run with one. I guess it's just less things to worry about because I have to tether it a certain way, so I just less shit to worry about. Another thing, I'm also open to do more, I guess, how-tos, so to speak. And if you guys got any questions on the bike and you want me to show you how to do something, like work on the chain, like engine, brakes, anything like that, just let me know. I'd be happy to show you guys what to do. Always looking for ideas on videos and stuff like that. Kind of new to this whole thing, so if you couldn't tell, I'm gonna try and hopefully post more too, like videos of me riding. I know there's like so many more moto vloggers out there now, and a lot of them don't even moto vlog anymore. They just kind of are just vloggers, not necessarily on the bike as much anymore. So I know there's plenty of other guys to watch, but maybe kind of get back to a more OG motor vlog, you know, just the bike and talking, because I feel like there's not as much of that out there anymore. You know, some of them they still, you know, they still post a good old motor vlog, but I feel like it's more of a filler than the actual content now. A lot of them have switched to just like the daily vlog, but I guess it's a little easier to just kind of do it that way. It's a little easier to get content and stuff like that, but just there's only so much you can talk about and ride a bike at the same time, I guess. So I kind of understand that, but I am trying out a new mic and GoPro. I've had this GoPro, but I'm trying out the mic too. I know it can be kind of shitty at times. So if it does sound shitty, you know, let a guy know, and I'll try and fix it. Other than that, I can't really think of too much to fill you guys in on. Track day coming up soon. If you guys want to see any videos working on the bike, or any questions or how-to videos, you know, let me know in the comments. Like I said, I'm more than happy to rip my bike apart and put it back together again. I just enjoy kind of tinkering around with it, so always down to take, like I said, rip it apart, put it back together for you guys, show you guys something. So if you guys got any questions, comments, or anything like that, or what you want to see, just, you know, drop them down in the comments below, and hopefully get some of those ideas and get them filmed and uploaded for you guys, and rinse, wash, repeat, keep it going. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
All good?
Huh?
All good?
What's that? Yeah, I was just calling. My dad called me. I was just giving him a call back.
All right, making sure you didn't need no tools.
Thanks so, man. Have a good one. Ride safe.
Yep, likewise.
I couldn't tell him I was just taking a picture. Oh man, nice guy. Gotta love the bike life and the views. Gotta love the views. Never gets old.